Hi traders, it's Roberto, and this is the analysis for May 10th, 2013. And I had sent out directional bias trade signals, but for this tutorial I'm just going to focus on the yen pairs because the markets certainly took off north, broke several strong resistance levels, so we're in an uptrend. But it is Friday and we should experience some pullbacks, but not yet. What we need is two things to happen. Number one, we need a color change candle, which we do have right now. Two, we need price to break below that color change candle at least 8 pips if we're going to have a Forex Friday. We do have that on the Canadian Swiss pair. That's not part of the Canadian yen, but we do have a retracement. We do have a Forex Friday. And so let me just pull it up so you can see what a Forex Friday actually typically looks like. This is Thursday market. Went up on Thursday, gave us a nice pin bar, rejection at 94.60. Then we have a color change candle, and then we have price closing 8 pips below this color change candle. Let me thicken it up so you can see it better. Notice the color change candle. So I'm short on Canadian Swiss. Now this is a counter trend trade, and it's a Forex Friday trade. So I'll stay in this trade, try to capture 30 or 40 pips, and then exit the trade, because eventually the market's going to find support and turn around and head in the direction of the daily and 4-hour chart, which is in an uptrend. Now on the yen pairs, we have a completely different story. We've got price is continuing to go up, and it is Friday, and normally we do have retracements on Friday if the market has been rallying on a Thursday, but we may not see that till late London session or even Monday. So the way to trade these pairs coming into Friday, we know we're in an uptrend, strong uptrend, and this is the beginning of the Tokyo session, and this is the high so far. So if the market prints higher, this is an hour candle, if price is able to close above the swing high, then we're going to be going long shortly, going into the London session. However, if the market just stalls out at these levels right here, then because we have a color change candle, we should start looking for retracements. Okay, so we have several pairs. We have Canadian, New Zealand, Euro, Pound, Australian dollar, yen pairs. So technically it should continue to print higher, and it should the projected range on all of these is at least 100 pips, and for Euro yen and the pound yen it's about 200 pips. So if price can break above this swing high and close above the swing high on the 1-hour chart, then we're going to continue to buy coming into Friday. But then be careful around the London close. We may see a substantial retracement because it is Friday, and Fridays are usually take profit days. So the other trade I wanted to review was the euro dollar. And Thursday the market sold off. This is Thursday coming into Friday. Friday is usually typically retracement days, but we are in a strong downtrend, and all we need is a retracement for price to find resistance at pivot point, or rather Fibonacci levels. This is the swing high of Thursday. This is the swing low of Thursday. So we draw Fibonacci tool from the high to the low, and then we do have a color change candle. Notice we had 1, 2 bearish candles followed by a color candle, and it did qualify because it went 8 pips above the close of this candle. So we do have a counter trend trade. But we're not interested in staying in this trade for a long time, and this is a good buying opportunity, but we should exit the trade when it gets very close to this 38-50% retracement level and exit that trade. So that would be about a 30 pip run. Okay, and then start looking for a color change candle at a Fibonacci percent, like 61% or 50%, to take a trade in the direction of the trend, which is down. Okay, so that's the euro dollar. So again, if coming into London session, price starts printing higher, notice that it's just right now, it's just consolidating for the past 5 hours. Market hasn't really done anything. But if we have a breakout, if price manages to break above these levels coming into the London session, then yes, you should take a trade going north. And then possibly we will be able to stay in that trade till the London, or rather the New York Open. And if it keeps going north during the New York session, then definitely we need to exit before the London close, which is around 11 o'clock Eastern. Okay, so that's the analysis for May 9th, or rather May 10th, 2013. See everyone in the trade room at 8 a.m. Eastern.